Looking for profitable trade ideas in the Forex market? Want to learn a unique strategy based on price action and Fibonacci retracement zones? Join our trading community now for just $10 a month and receive trade ideas and binary options chart markups straight to your inbox.
Hey guys, JD here. So the month of May is not over, but the swing trading titan community has not lost a trade in the month of May. So I thought that was worth just documenting, right? That's worth putting in the record books. And I wanted to kind of go show you guys behind the paywall here and show you, some of the setups that we've taken this month and, how they worked out. So this euro dollar trade, we're currently in it and we're up. So we had a dollar CAD long back on the 20th of this month. And we hit target one. So I want to show you the setup. Here was the sweet spot. Here's the safe area. Here's your targets. And boom, ran up target one. I think this one hit target two also. I should have updated that one again, but I'm almost certain this one made it to target two also. Then we have this Ethereum. Now this Ethereum, we got to open this boy up. This was a monster. Okay, this Ethereum was a monster. Here's the sweet spot. I remember I wrote a little note on this one. Yeah, I was like, enter now for a better risk to reward, or wait to see if prices get back into the sweet spot if you want to play it safe. So we were barely outside the sweet spot. So however you played it, boom, monster win. Okay, monster. And this boy almost got to target three. So just to let you guys know, we're trading on the 4-hour chart. So we take, this is a 4-hour setup. So that works perfectly because it gives you time to enter the trade. So when I post a trade idea or when another community member posts a trade idea, what you do is when you join, you click here. Let me go up so I can show you. When you join, you click this follow button. So once you follow, anytime somebody posts a trade idea in this topic, you will get an email. So that's just wonderful. So you get this trade idea straight to your email, and it looks just like this. It has these pictures, so you can see the markup, see where you should enter, and then you make a decision from there. And that's just actually wonderful for new traders and beginning traders because it gives you a chance to practice marking up charts and compare it to the trade idea, right? And if it matches up, that may give you more confidence to take the setup or take the trade. And also it just helps you learn how to mark up price charts. And so what we have done is we have combined price action trading with the fundamentals of Fibonacci retracement zones. And we've created what we call the sweet spot trade. And it wins at a very high clip. Again, we have not lost in the month of May, right? So you take this Ethereum trade, that's what you call a home run right there. That's what you call a home run. All right, so let's keep going. So CAD, Ethereum monster. So here's a dollar setup. We went long on the 6th. It won on the 9th. So here was the setup. We were in the sweet spot. We had our targets. And boom, got to target one. All right. And so here's the thing also, here's a trade from the 5th. We don't take a lot of trades. We take the best trades. We wait for prices to make it into our sweet spot. So this is a mechanical trading strategy. If you've read my book or got my new book, Increase on the Sudden, Swing Trading the Forex, another part of the title says a mechanical trading system to start winning tomorrow. So I was able to put that type of title on the book because you can start winning as soon as you implement this strategy. So you join this community and this trade idea had came out. If you had taken this, bang, right there. Matter of fact, it got target one and target two. You would have just won, right? You would have just won your very first Forex trade. If you had never traded Forex a day in your life, but you just entered in the sweet spot, put a take profit at this target right here, boom, you would have won your very first Forex trade. So you would have started to increase on the sudden immediately, right? So that's what's so beautiful about this strategy. It's very mechanical. So this was from George, who's a community member. He put this one in. This was a winner. So not only Do you get trade ideas from me, but you get trade ideas from other members of the community? And as everybody continues to add and continues to share, we'll all get more opportunities. So, hey, I love this community. I love the members who are inside. Everybody is working together to try to just profit together. Now, here's an oil trade. We're actually still in this trade. And that's kind of it for the month. But even if we go back to last month, boom, Ethereum, this was a short. We went short on this one. And boom, this was the setup. Here was the stop. Here's our targets. Boom. Hey, we can go long, we can go short. It really doesn't matter. All right. We let the setup tell us what to do. You know what I'm saying? So we take a lot of things out of the equation that trip traders up, you know, and there's nothing to do until you get to target one. And then when you get to target one, you got some decisions to make. Do you just lock in? Do you close out? Do you go for target two, you know, or do you take half of your profit? You know, you can take half of your profit when you get to target one and then move to break even and try to catch that runner, you know? So, hey, that's a good problem to have, right? How do I manage my winning trade? That's a great problem to have, and you'll have that problem if you join us in this community. All right. And so that's just the Forex trade. So let's run over to binary options. Binary options, we're basically doing the same thing, right? I post about I try to post at least 3 markups a day, around 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Times. I've kind of gotten in a habit of around that time because it gives people time, gives the market time to move and people time to get in, see what's going on. So like this pound Audi, you know, I posted it at 7:32 a.m. Boom, I think when I posted it, yeah, we were already in the sweet spot. All right, so it broke out a little bit, but then boom, drop. Right, let's see this markup here, this Bitcoin OTC. Now, when I posted it, it hadn't even made it to the sweet spot yet. Look what it did when it got there. Look what it did when it got there. Toe touch, drop. Right, it's beautiful. So again, this gives you time to, you know, see the markup, test it out yourself. Look at this markup. Boom. So we were almost there when I posted this one at 7:19. We was almost there. As soon as it touched it, drop. Right. So this strategy, this sweet spot trade, it's something special. Okay, it is something really special. Look at this one, 7:28 a.m. on the 20th. We were nowhere near the sweet spot. We were nowhere near the sweet spot when I posted this one. So if you just had marked up your chart and waited, boom, you caught a beauty right there. You caught a beauty right there. Same thing here, 8:04 a.m. on this Apple. You know, we were getting close to the sweet spot. So if you had waited and took a golden ratio entry, man. So what you do is these markups help you to see the direction, help you to see what's the most probable direction that we're going to go in, because we understand some market basics. We understand the market cycle. We understand that the market moves in twos. We understand the 50% retracement zones for Fibonacci, and we understand price action. So once we put all that together, we simplify the trading. You know, we don't start looking for a trade until we get into the sweet spot. And once you get into the sweet spot, you just take price action entries. And then it's up to you what type you want to take. You could take 3-minute trades, 5-minute trades, 10-minute trades, 40-minute trades. It's up to you. So whatever style you have, you will be able to put your style into this setup. Once you know that we're going long, hey, whatever your style is, if you want to trade a minute, if you want to trade 2 minutes, if you want to trade 3 minutes, you know, as long as you're taking price action entries, second entry long, in this case, second entry longs, low, higher lows, you know, push down, first entry, push down, second entry long, you know, whatever your flavor, you know, once you know the direction, that's going to help you take higher probability trades. So, hey, the sweet spot trade that we take in the binary options market is wonderful. The sweet spot trade that we take in the Forex, again, we have not had a loss in the month of May. So these things are just beautiful. So join us today. The community, I made it cheap on purpose because I wanted a place where new traders, noobs, struggling traders, you know, people who, you know, retail traders many times aren't working with deep pockets, right? We're trying to, you know, take a couple hundred and see what we can do with it many times. And so I wanted some place that was very affordable for people to come learn a great profitable trading strategy and then be able to win while you're learning, be able to earn while you learn. So that's what this community is giving to its members, a place where you can get started very cheap and then begin to earn. I mean, hey, you take this Ethereum trade, this covers, if you took this trade right here when I first posted it, this covered your membership fees for probably 6 months. You should have made 6 months to a year of membership fees, right, on this one trade. And so that's what's special about this community, right? That's what's special, and that's how we're gonna keep it going. And so, hey, I got another setup I've been working on too. I think I'm gonna call it the golden ratio trade. It's gonna blow minds in the binary options market. Now, that's going to be in the course. So if you haven't got the price action, my IOTS price action trading system yet, you're going to want to get your hands on that, because the course that I'm dropping next on that, or that I'm adding to it. If you don't know, I have a course, and I don't just drop new courses. I just add more value to the valuable course that's already there. That's my philosophy on it. I just want to make my course so unbelievably valuable. It's just ridiculous. So I do not create new courses. I add on to the course that's already extremely freaking valuable. Matter of fact, let me run over there. Yeah, so I don't even add. I could have created at least 3 or 4 courses at this point. Here's my new book too. I could have created at least 3 or 4 new courses at this point, but I don't. I just add more value to a valuable course. That's how I roll. So here's the course. All right. And again, I'm about to add a new strategy to it for binary options. I got a trade that's been working great, so that's coming. I'm also going to be adding the futures section of the course very soon. Still got some testing to go on that, but that's coming too also. So this course, I love saying this. Actually, I love saying this. This is the course that keeps on giving. So we're going to keep it. We're going to keep just adding value to a valuable course. All right. So join us. Hey, join us in the Swing Trading Titans community. Join us. Grab the course if you need to learn price action trading and begin to increase on the Sutton.